What's up guys, it's Monica Shark, back doing another video, and today I've just got a drawing tablet for my birthday actually, because it was recently my birthday, and today I'm just going to be doing some drawing of that, and I'm just going to draw, I don't know what I'm going to draw, so I thought I might get this experience with you guys, because, yeah. So, let's start with some pencil drawings. Don't worry guys, you won't have to sit through the whole thing. I will edit some of it out. So let's just go with... I'm sorry, this is how I always draw people. Oh, this is actually quite easy. So I have been doing a little bit of this just recently. Right, I'll be back with you guys once I've figured out a basic gist of what I'm going to draw. So I will see you in a minute. Right, so I've been drawing for about a minute now, and this is what I've got so far. Looks pretty decent. He's kind of a tarantula person. Yeah. I'm sorry if don't talk that much in this video. I don't really know what to... I'm not very good at commentary. I will do some more gaming videos soon, guys. It's just that, I've just been playing video games so much. I've got bored of them now, so now I've gone on to drawing. So, I'll be back once I've added colour and done some extra details and that. Right, so pretty much what I've done now is I've added shading, and yeah, that's about it. I'm probably gonna, whilst I'm doing the details, I'm probably just gonna talk with you guys. I know that, hello, you're gonna work, thank you. I know that I don't do videos that much, but when I do, I really enjoy them. Pardon me. Yeah, and I really enjoy them, and I hope you guys enjoy them too, because I put so much effort into nearly every video I make, except from some of my old ones, because they're a bit cringy. And I don't really... I was a bit of a noob then, and I didn't really watch through what I used to do. So I'm just going to add some legs. Oh guys, if you didn't know, this is actually meant to be a spider. I'm not going to draw the body because then it gets complicated, and yeah. So guys, if I get 3 comments saying I should start animation, then I'll start doing animation and spend but then I won't do as many videos. I'll only do like 1 video a year because I spend so long on the animation. But it's up to you guys really, because I don't know whether you guys find me funny or not, because to me, I don't find myself funny. I just enjoy what I do, and that's why I do it. That's why I do what I'm doing right now. Let's redo the nose a little bit. We'll just go back over that, make the lines a bit thicker. Yeah, that's alright. Oh wait, I need to add some lighter shading. Let's get felt marking. Ooh, we could have like a blue light coming from this side. That'd be so cool. Don't worry guys, this is going to look well sick. Maybe I should make it a little bit bigger, you know? the opacity needs to be up to 97. Size can be like this. Oh yeah, that's much better. See? And then bits which go out the lines I can just rub out. I think I might have just ruined it, you know? If I get rid of all of this, I think I should have made it just a tad bit smaller. Oh, now I'm going to have to rub it all out. Ugh. Right, now I'll just get a dropper. I'm sorry if in some of my videos I seem really energetic and in this one I don't. It's because I didn't get much sleep, okay? But I wanted to make a video anyway because I haven't done one in ages. And like I said, I just got this tablet. Uh-oh, I don't know what to do. You know what, I'm just gonna... No, because that's not... Let's try this cover pencil. Why is that so big? Yeah, that's like normal colour. Yeah, there we go. I'm sorry, I don't know what most of the things are like in this because, like I said, it's like my 3rd or 4th time doing this. And I'm not very good at drawing, so... I might add like a cut on him, or maybe... Oh, I just had an idea, guys. Just had a really good idea with this pen. If we move it like down quite small, maybe even a little bit smaller than that, just about 1.5. Get some red. Ready? Yeah, that looks cool, doesn't it? That looks relatively good, you know? Look at how bright the small veins is. Wow, this is actually starting to look pretty good now. Leave in the comments whether you think this is good or not, because it looks alright to me. Ooh, I just had an idea. Oh, I just realised it was still on red. Maybe if we go into brown again, we get like darkish, really dark brown. We just add some hairs everywhere. Guys, if you wanna know, I'll be posting loads of these on Tumblr. Loads of like my drawings and stuff. I already posted one of them on there, which is my first drawing. Yeah, so if you want to follow me on Tumblr, it's Monocle Shark. As always. Now he looks like a coconut. There's not some like some white areas. Maybe that's Ooh, maybe if I... maybe if I add a new layer. So I'll be back once I've done this new layer. And then I'll be completely finished. And then you guys wouldn't have to sit and listen to me being boring. Okay? It would be less boring. I just realised I haven't been looking at the camera the whole time. Right, I'll be back in like 5... Right, I'll see you in a minute. Right, so I've finished my drawing now. And it looks okay, so I'll just quickly show you. And ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. This is it. So I drew like a board, you know, like they hang them heads off it, because I said I wasn't going to bother doing a body. Yeah, so there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I sure did, and I had loads of fun drawing. If you guys would please subscribe, right, it means so much to me if you were to either subscribe or like the video, or just go like and subscribe to whoever, because spread the love. See you in the next one. Goodbye.